Hey everyone, it's Miss Kabumba here, and today I'll be showing you how I do this Scar makeup look. Scar from Lion King. I know y'all know this movie. It's my favorite Disney animated film. I think I ate this. I was watching YouTube makeup videos and I came across this one right here. I just stared at her makeup look. I didn't watch the full video. I just stared at her makeup look and I copied it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a quick version on how I did it.
Hey guys, first I like to brush my eyebrows, then I fill it in and brush them again so it has a nice fade. And here's my foundation, and I outline my eyebrows with my foundation. Now we're gonna get into the concealer. So right after I outline my eyebrows with the foundation, I like to outline my eyebrows with concealer so it pops a bit more. And concealer is also really good to put on your eyelids right before you put eyeshadow. I think it makes your eyeshadow look more matte afterwards, which I love, and lasts a good period of time without any creases as well. Alright, so now we're getting into the eyeshadow. I kind of used an orange, burgundy-ish color. This was from the Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm lifting up the eyeshadow to go all the way up to my eyebrows. Then I added a dark brown. And I added concealer because we're going to do a cut crease. We love a cut crease. I'm adding like a tan color, also from the Modern Renaissance palette. And now I'm adding dark brown, just a bit of it, to give a slight smoky effects. I didn't want to do like a smoky eye, but I want to show different shades of brown, like a monochrome look. And now I'm adding sparkly gold eyeshadow. I didn't put too much, and I put a little bit in the corner of my eyes. Then I keep adding just a little bit of sparkly gold eyeshadow, so my eyes look really appealing and pretty. And here I'm gonna do the slit, because Scar has, well, his name's Scar and he has a scar on his face. We don't know why though. I did this by just concealer and adding a really light eyeshadow color from Modern Renaissance palette as well. Alright, that's it for now. Now I'm gonna get into my powder. So I'm putting powder all over my face. Then I'm working on the really light area on the chin and mouth by just putting powder and light eyeshadow. And now we're adding a little bit of blush contour-ish. Honestly, I just used the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow because it kind of goes. And now we're using eyeliner to make the nose, the little line. And I outlined my lips with black eyeliner, then used black eyeshadow on the lips because I didn't want eyeliner all over my lips, and I do not have black lipstick. But if you do have black lipstick, that would really work in your convenience. Now we're adding highlights, and you gotta blend it a little bit with your brush. Alright, so now we're adding just a little more highlight on my nose because that looks good. It's cute. Wow, the look looks really good so far. The setting spray, I can't forget the setting spray. Alright, spray! You better spray. Now we're taking off the scarves. I kept it on for around two hours. 2 hours while doing this look. And there we have it. That's the finished look. I absolutely love it. And honestly, it just looks great.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell to be notified of my weekly uploads. And follow all my other social medias that I'll be putting at the end screen. Bye, y'all. Life's not fair, is it? You see, I'll never be king. And you shall never see the light of another day. You know, Scar says that in the movie. I was so dramatic. Oh my gosh. I'm not no actor, but I felt like doing that.